Are you planning your next vacation? Look no further. In this video, we'll show you the ultimate guide to travel, hotels, and private transportation. When it comes to exploring the world, convenience is key. That's why private transportation is a game changer. No more worrying about navigating unfamiliar streets or waiting for public transportation. With private transportation, you'll have a chauffeur at your service, ready to take you wherever you want to go. It's the ultimate way to travel in comfort and style, but before we hit the road, let's talk about hotels. When choosing a hotel, there are a few factors to consider. Location is crucial. You'll want to stay close to the attractions you plan on visiting. Comfort is also important, so make sure the hotel offers all the amenities you need for a relaxing stay. And of course, don't forget to check reviews from previous guests to ensure a great experience. Now that you've selected the perfect hotel, it's time to explore. With private transportation, you have the freedom to go wherever your heart desires. Whether it's exploring historical landmarks, immersing yourself in local culture, or simply soaking up the sun on a beautiful beach, the possibilities are endless. So why wait? Start planning your next adventure with the Jamaica Escape Tour, ultimate guide to travel, hotels, and private transportation. With convenience, comfort, and flexibility, you'll be able to make the most of your trip and create memories that will last a lifetime. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more travel inspiration and tips. Happy travels!